May low moments ba kayo together ng wife mo?
Well,
Ano
the low
yung mga
moments were
usapan
the
niyo?
fact that we celebrated Christmas and New Year for the first time without our children. It was the saddest Christmas and New Year that we had. And one of the reasons why perhaps I will never forgive this Marcos administration for what they did.
'Pag po ba natapos ang, Marcos administration ay nandoon yung, consideration na kayo'y babalik sa Pilipinas?
Definitely. As soon as Marcos is gone, I'm back on day one. And sana this time around, we make them pay for all their offenses. No? Ang hirap kasi the first time around when we drove them away, si Marcos Sr., we just forgave them. Eh. We recovered some of the ill-gotten wealth, but not all of it. And that's why they're back with a vengeance.
Kamusta po ang inyong mga anak?
Well, hindi naman sila nagpapa-apekto kasi they're both studying, no? And they're very studious. But of course, they're always insecure about their own personal safety. And you cannot dismiss that. That's part and parcel of why I will never forgive this administration for what they did to me and to my family.
Sino po ang nag-aalaga sa kanila at paano niyo pa rin sinusubukang magampanan ang pagiging magulang?
Well, they're of age. They're both pursuing postgraduate degrees naman, and so they're independent. No, thank goodness we have video conferencing, so we keep in touch through video conferencing, and somehow I guess we have better conditions now for parents separated from their children because of technology nga. No? So at least araw-araw nakikita mo sila, nakakausap mo sila, pero still, it's not a substitute for living together as a family.
Pero doon po sa loob ng 9 na buwan ay hindi man lang po nila kayo nabisita, hindi niyo man lang sila nakita?
Well, nakita namin sila for 1 day and a half.
Hmm.
Uh, for 1 day and a half, when I left a second country where we were on our way to a third country, we decided to pass through Japan, and that's where we met my children for a
Mhm.
day and a half only.
Pero ngayon ba hindi sila pwedeng bisitahin po kayo diyan?
Well, ngayon, nag-a-apply na sila ng visa. As I said, my wife was granted the visa 2 days ago, and
Hmm.
my children have initiated the process of applying for a visa here in the Netherlands.